So if you deleted your Gmail account and now you want to recover it, then I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can access that account back. So if this sounds something you're interested in, then make sure to follow along each step shown in the video. And if you find this tutorial useful, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Without further ado, let's begin. Now the first method is when you don't remember your password, but you do have recovery options like a recovery email or phone number. Now these are the steps you need to follow. Now go ahead and open the browser that you normally use. So in my case, I'll open my Chrome browser. Now here on the search bar, just type in Google Help. So guys, click the very first link, Google Help. Select Gmail. Now at this point, scroll down. Then select Fix a Problem. Then make sure to select Account. Now you're under Account, click the very first link, I can't access my account. Now you need to select the issue, so select the very first option, you forgot your password. Then scroll down, then click here where it says Tips to complete account recovery steps, so tap on that link. Then select the very first link, go to the account recovery page, so click on that. Now here on the account recovery page, submit the email address that you want to recover. Then tap on that next button. As you can see, it says account deleted. So click on next. So now here guys, they ask you to enter your last password that you remember using. But if you don't remember your password, just click on try another way. So guys, at this point, you need to submit a verification code. But first, you need to confirm this phone number. Now after confirming, click on send. Now a verification code will be sent to that phone number. So make sure you copy, then submit that code, then tap on the next button. Now after doing that, you'll be prompted to create a new strong password for your Google account. And by doing that, you'll have now undeleted your account and changed your password. Now the second method is when you remember your password. Now for you to recover your account, you need to go ahead and open your Gmail application. Now after opening, make sure you're signed in to an existing account. Now click on that profile icon at the top right corner. Then select add another account here at the bottom. Then select Google. Now here on the sign in page, submit the email address that you want to recover. Then click on next here at the bottom. As you can see, it says this account was recently deleted. So click on the next button here at the bottom. Now you will be prompted to enter your password. So submit your password, then click on the next button. And by doing that, you have now recovered your deleted Gmail account. I hope this video helps you out, and if it does, don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.